This video covers steps 12 through 15 of assembling the Rabot. We're going to start by taking the ultrasonic sensor, the HC-SR04, and taking some needle nose pliers, carefully gripping the 4 pins and then bending those so they're about perpendicular to the circuit board. Then we want to mount this on the back part of the head, and note that there's one side that's flat and there's one side that has this raised section, this raised block. That's the side that you want to insert the ultrasonic sensor from, and note that there are little indentations here to accommodate some components on the board so that it just fits one way. Now there are 4, I think they're number 060 screws that come with your hardware set. You want to put that through from the other side. You can see there are little indentations to recess or countersinks to recess the screws. And then carefully, and with the small screws it is carefully, attach put the nuts on the screws, Phillips head screw, and then do that for the remaining 4. I'll not do that I'll do that off camera. Now I've finished putting all 4 screws in, and the next step is I want to mount it, snap it in place. These 2 pieces sticking out go through the slots, and push them in place. You feel the little snap so that the pieces snap in place. And now the back part of the face is mounted. To attach the front part of the face, first of that goes over the wires, and then, that goes over the front part of the ultrasonic sensor, and then the ears attach from the back. So I use one of the 10mm self-tapping Torx screws and put it through from the back. And again, you want to be careful, be snug but not over tighten. And then we attach the second ear. Now we want to take the remaining 4 conductor cable and plug it in to the pins on the back of the ultrasonic sensor. And when you're looking at the back side, you want the black wire to be on the right. And then you want to carefully plug that in. Now you want to take the elevation, so this is the elevation, azimuth and elevation of the pan tilt mount. Take the elevation cable and feed it through the back so that when it moves around it won't bind up. All right, so we have that cable coming through. And then we want to just gather all of these cables together. But first, what we want to do is we want to mark before we bundle them together and then lose track of which is which. We want to take the cable from the elevation servo, hold it so that the brown is to your right. So that's the top, you're looking at the top. And then take a marker, say a black marker, and just put some marks on there. Now it's black on black, so it won't show up a whole lot, but if you look at it from the right angle, you should be able to see that. And that enables you to tell the difference between these two once you get them all bundled. So the next step is to bundle them together. You can gather them and grip them at the top, and then get the spiral cable wrap started. You just start at one end and sort of rotate it around. Got to get at least one rotation around with all the wires in it. And then you can just continue to rotate it, and it will just wrap around all of the wires.